Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will explain what is Coinbase One. Another feature worth checking out is Coinbase One, especially if you trade frequently. If you are trying to take advantage of short-term price movement without paying trading fees on every transaction, this subscription could be a good option. Coinbase One offers a free trial, and after that, it costs $29.99 per month. Members receive high rewards on USD coin, zero trading fees on up to $10,000 in monthly trading volume, opportunities to earn free Bitcoin through sweepstakes, and tax benefits such as pre-filled IRS crypto tax forms. You also get rebates on Coinbase Advanced 24/7 customer supports and access to more advanced market analytics than the standard Coinbase chart. If you trade regularly and want to reduce your trading cost while gaining access to extra features, Coinbase One may be worth considering. Thanks for watching.